So now we're going to do the forward fold. In the forward fold, Lindsay's going to get on her mat. She's going to stretch out her legs. And she's going to inhale up and exhale all the way down to her toes with a nice straight back. Because what you want is you want your back to be as straight as it can be. And this is going to help with your shoulders. It's going to help elongate the back. It's going to help with your calves. It's going to help with your shins. It's going to help with your glutes. It's really going to be a nice pose for a good stretch. And it helps with anxiety, and it also helps with depression. So if you're feeling anxious or depressed, this is a great pose to go into. And if you're doing this pose, we have some adjustments also. What you need to do is, if you cannot keep your legs straight, which is fine because you are a beginner and I know that, you can bend your legs because you don't want to have a curve in your back. You want to come straight in your back, knees bent, and come forward. Exactly. Allowing your back to be straight. Excellent. You don't have to come all the way down. Another adjustment we can do is the belt. Like I said, I love the props. So with the belt, you can take the belt and you can put it below your feet. Lift your spine up, just like somebody is lifting you up, and allow the belt to help you move forward. And just go as far as you can. If you can't go all the way down, that's fine. In time, you will be able to. Remember, it's step by step. If this is as far as you can go, that's great. If you can go a little further, that's even better. And even if you have to come up and just stay straight and just hold on to the strap without any movement at all, that's perfect. Just do as much as you can.